is free.
With Cisco, protecting your business from cyber attackers is simple. If it's connected, you're protected. Cisco, our purpose is to power an inclusive future for all. And in that future, Mother Nature has a voice. It's a new day for the new era. AI is everywhere. So are we. We have the infrastructure AI needs. And now, the breadth of data AI craves. We'll use AI to help the world see more, do more, and we'll secure it like never before. You've all heard the AI hype. Now you want AI's help. That's exactly what we'll give you. Cisco, making AI work for you.
Where will you be in 5 years? Where will we be in 5 years? In 25? In 50? Let's be here and here, with her and him and they. Let's connect them. Let's connect everyone. Let's deliver technology that gives them access to power opportunity. Let's set a new standard for data security and personal privacy. Let's change the system. Promote equality and fairness in the workplace. Let's tear down the barriers to social justice for a more inclusive world. Let's clean house. Zero carbon, zero waste. Because the health of our family is tied to the future of our home. Let's gather resources and partners, steer toward our greatest challenges and accelerate. For the benefit, for all. Cisco has made it its purpose to power an inclusive future for all. Where will we be in 50 years? Let's go see. Cisco, the bridge to possible.
At Cisco, we believe inclusion isn't just the right thing to do, it's the innovative thing to do. Because every invention, every improvement, every achievement, every small step and giant leap inside our company and in the history of the world started when a different perspective was invited, a different voice was elevated, a different opinion was accepted. To us, inclusion is progress. And it's why we're reimagining how people come together. Changing the system. Tearing down barriers. Respecting and honoring each other's identities. Promoting equality and fairness. Using technology to create more opportunities. And powering a more inclusive future for each other. For good. For all.
A hacker doesn't always look like a hacker. hackers at home, everywhere. A hacker comes in many forms. He's interested in everything. He can work alone. But with a crew, so much better. A hacker is free.
With Cisco, protecting your business from cyber attackers is simple. If it's connected, you're protected. At Cisco, our purpose is to power an inclusive future for all. And in that future, Mother Nature has a voice. It's a new day for the new era. AI is everywhere. So are we. We have the infrastructure AI needs. And now, the breadth of data AI craves. We'll use AI to help the world see more, do more, and we'll secure it like never before. You've all heard the AI hype. Now you want AI's help. That's exactly what we'll give you. Cisco, making AI work for you.
Where will you be in 5 years? Where will we be in 5 years? In 25? In 50? Let's be here and here, with her and him and they. Let's connect them. Let's connect everyone. Let's deliver technology that gives them access to power opportunity. Let's set a new standard for data security and personal privacy. Let's change the system. Promote equality and fairness in the workplace. Let's tear down the barriers to social justice for a more inclusive world. Let's clean house, zero carbon, zero waste. Because the health of our family is tied to the future of our home. Let's gather resources and partners, steer toward our greatest challenges and accelerate. For the benefit, for all. Cisco has made it its purpose to power an inclusive future for all. Where will we be in 50 years? Let's go see. Cisco, the bridge to possible.
At Cisco, we believe inclusion isn't just the right thing to do. It's the innovative thing to do. Because every invention, every improvement, every achievement, every small step and giant leap inside our company and in the history of the world started when a different perspective was invited. A different voice was elevated. A different opinion was accepted. To us, inclusion is progress. And it's why we're reimagining how people come together. Changing the system. Tearing down barriers. Respecting and honoring each other's identities. Promoting equality and fairness. Using technology to create more opportunities. And powering a more inclusive future for each other. For good. For all.
A hacker doesn't always look like a hacker. A hacker's at home, everywhere. A hacker comes in many forms. He's interested in everything. He can work alone. But with a crew, so much better. A hacker is free.
With Cisco, protecting your business from cyber attackers is simple. If it's connected, you're protected. At Cisco, our purpose is to power an inclusive future for all. And in that future, Mother Nature has a voice. It's a new day for the new era. AI is everywhere. So are we. We have the infrastructure AI needs. And now, the breadth of data AI craves. We'll use AI to help the world see more, do more, and we'll secure it like never before. You've all heard the AI hype. Now you want AI's help. That's exactly what we'll give you. Cisco, making AI work for you.
Where will you be in 5 years? Where will we be in 5 years? In 25? In 50? Let's be here and here, with her and him and they. Let's connect them. Let's connect everyone. Let's deliver technology that gives them access to power opportunity. Let's set a new standard for data security and personal privacy. Let's change the system. Promote equality and fairness in the workplace. Let's tear down the barriers to social justice for a more inclusive world. Let's clean house. Zero carbon, zero waste. Because the health of our family is tied to the future of our home. Let's gather resources and partners, steer toward our greatest challenges and accelerate. For the benefit, for all. Cisco has made it its purpose to power an inclusive future for all. Where will we be in 50 years? Let's go see. Cisco, the bridge to possible.
At Cisco, we believe inclusion isn't just the right thing to do. It's the innovative thing to do. Because every invention, every improvement, every achievement, every small step and giant leap inside our company and in the history of the world started when a different perspective was invited. A different voice was elevated. A different opinion was accepted. To us, inclusion is progress. And it's why we're reimagining how people come together. Changing the system. Tearing down barriers. Respecting and honoring each other's identities. Promoting equality and fairness. Using technology to create more opportunities. Empowering a more inclusive future for each other. For good. For all.
A hacker doesn't always look like a hacker. A hacker's at home, everywhere. A hacker comes in many forms. He's interested in everything. He can work alone. But with a crew, so much better. A hacker is free.
With Cisco, protecting your business from cyber attackers is simple. If it's connected, you're protected. At Cisco, our purpose is to power an inclusive future for all. And in that future, Mother Nature has a voice. It's a new day for the new era. AI is everywhere. So are we. We have the infrastructure AI needs. And now, the breadth of data AI craves. We'll use AI to help the world see more, do more, and we'll secure it like never before. You've all heard the AI hype. Now you want AI's help. That's exactly what we'll give you. Cisco, making AI work for you.
Welcome everybody. My name is Matt Caulfield, Vice President of Product for Duo and Identity at Cisco. I'm here today with Chris Anderson, our Duo Product CTO, and we're really excited for our news. A major leap forward in innovation for Duo and for identity. If you're watching this, you probably already know Duo, whether that's our award-winning Duo mobile experience, or maybe you've adopted Duo for your company or your school. Either way, you're security conscious and you care about usability because that's what Duo is all about. And if you know Duo, you know that for the longest time, Duo has been known as just MFA, multi-factor authentication. We've helped add multi-factor or second-factor auth to everything from web applications to remote access VPN to toaster ovens. But recently, something has changed. Attackers have gotten so good at stealing credentials, they no longer need to hack in. They simply log in. They're using AI to accelerate the speed and the scale of their attacks through automation. And in 2024 alone, 60% of breaches started with identity and over 80% leveraged stolen credentials.
And I'll just give you one example, Matt. Attackers simply copy your sign-on page. They host their own fake version to capture your username and your password of your users. That's called phishing. And AI has made it easier than ever for attackers to execute. And if that wasn't bad enough, attackers now expect to run into MFA as well. And they know how to beat it. We've seen a rise in techniques to bypass what was once the silver bullet, adding second-factor authentication.
So Chris, like it or not, traditional IAM vendors have failed. We've seen this onslaught of attacks, and your choices in the market today are either insecure, too costly, or too complex to implement properly. We need a new path forward. So I want you to meet the new Duo, Duo Identity and Access Management, or Duo IAM for short. We believe in a few basic principles. First, that your identity solution should be secure by default, not a feature that you need to turn on. Second, no passwords, either on day 0 or ever, unless you really need them. Third, strong authentication, strong MFA is included for all use cases. And finally, no additional cost for security features.
Hold on. Say the last part one more time.
No additional cost for security features?
Wow. All right.
It's a big deal. All right, so with this announcement, we're launching significantly new capabilities to help organizations achieve security by default and a level of usability that your people will love, including security-first identity, end-to-end phishing resistance, and unified identity intelligence, all built on our award-winning world-class user experience. So now let's dig in, starting with security-first identity. If you take away nothing else from this presentation, I want you to remember this. You can now run Duo standalone with our new Duo directory. Additionally, our identity routing engine makes it possible to use Duo as your identity broker. And third, you can use Duo side by side an existing IDP for your contractors or third parties or other use cases. So let's break this down. On the first piece, you can run Duo standalone. We've added a complete built-in directory custom attribute store so that Duo, through Duo directory, can serve as your one and only identity stack. Single sign-on, user provisioning, all the basics that you need. But if that doesn't fit your environment, or you're not ready to take the leap, that's fine. Duo can also now act as an identity broker in front of your existing identity systems to help provide a consistent security layer and a consistent user experience in complex environments with multiple IDPs. If you've ever acquired a company or been acquired, you know how messy it can be to deal with these kinds of integrations. Or if you're ever worried about the problem of identity resiliency, we can do that too as a layer in front. Finally, if you don't want to go that far, you can put us in side by side with your primary IDP, maybe for just a subset of your user population, whether that's contractors, vendors, partners, third parties, whoever might not belong in your main directory. So Duo now has, with this announcement, 3 deployment models for maximum flexibility. In fact, we've heard that Duo directory was being put to the test at the Black Hat security conferences, with testing in Europe as the primary IDP in Singapore and moving forward for Black Hat North America in August. But to speak to the real experience of using Duo, I want to bring in Ryan McLennan, Security Operations Engineer, and Steve Fink, Principal Security Architect for the Black Hat SOC and the NOC. Ryan, Fink, over to you.
Thank you, Matt. Hello, everyone. My name is Ryan McLennan, and I'm the Cisco architect and person that brings innovation from the Cisco side over to Black Hat. I'm mainly responsible for working with the Black Hat team around Duo and their IDP. And right now I'm joined here with Steve Fink. He's the principal architect at Black Hat. And our goal at the Black Hat SOC and the NOC is to make sure that we provide a highly available and robust network while also providing our attendees with the best security possible. Originally, we're doing some on-prem solutions, which was very annoying for us to manage. We'd have a ton of issues. It'd take a few hours, sometimes even a day for us to get up and running, to make sure everyone had access to everything that they should. And then when we swapped over to Duo Directory, it really significantly streamlined our process and brought our time from hours to minutes to making sure that everyone is able to get in, access the products that they're supposed to, and have the change control that we're looking for.
It's always there, it's always on, and it's ready for us every time we need to roll out a new Black Hat conference.
Yeah, and at each of these conferences, I know that we're having constant turnover of who's actually at it, who's administering a product, who needs access to be able to threat hunt using different products. We've really enjoyed using the Duo groups that are built in because we are able to map users to those groups, and then those groups are then mapped to a specific role in the products.
Some of the additional security benefits that we get is the behavioral analytics. So when a user is logging in, which we often do from other countries, that behavioral model understands and does a step-up authentication request. Are you really in Europe? Are you really in Singapore? And I believe it makes our identity stronger every day. At the Black Hat Network Operations Center, uptime is the most important thing. We also have to secure the attendee data. The attendee data, nobody wants that to get out. So we protect all of these things with Duo, Duo MFA, Duo SSO, and now Duo Directory.
My dream is everything through the Duo Directory. I don't want to have to work with another on-prem directory service again or a third party. I just want it all in one UI. It's nice, it's clean, and it makes my life easy.
Well, if that isn't enough, we're making life even easier for our admins with the new Duo AI Assistant for Identity, a built-in AI assistant in the Duo admin console that can help you simplify configuration if you're new to Duo, set more effective policy for controlling access, or accelerate help desk tasks, like figuring out why a particular user is struggling to log in without having to click through and find that information within the admin console.
So, Chris, security first identity is great, but what about this phishing resistance piece? Specifically end-to-end phishing resistance. What's that all about? First of all, what do we mean by end-to-end phishing resistance? You may have heard of phishing-resistant authentication, but end-to-end. By end-to-end, we mean that we've considered every aspect of the identity lifecycle, from enrollment to operating system login to application login, mid-session security, and even help desk recovery use cases. End-to-end phishing resistance ensures that your users are protected at every step along the way and not just at one point in their journey.
And so let's take specifically a deeper look at both OS login and application login. Achieving phishing resistance today typically requires rolling out expensive hardware keys to your workforce. This is especially true for Authenticator Assurance Level 3 or AAL3, the strongest authentication defined by NIST. And while Duo is going to continue to support FIDO2 hardware keys, we want to give you a better alternative for less headache and a much lower cost. And that's where proximity verification comes in. We're using Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE between your laptop and your mobile phone to detect proximity, to detect that they are near each other through a combination of trust we've established with your device. By virtue of them being near each other and a biometric check on Duo Mobile, we now have an exceptionally robust combination of factors to prevent phishing. An attacker would literally need to be in the same room, sitting next to you, in order to access your account. But instead of talking about this, I would much rather just show you how this works. All right, so here I am at the login page of my Windows device. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. And as you're noticing, I am being prompted for Duo's passwordless OS login utilizing Duo Mobile. So what you saw there is all I did was do a biometric check on that mobile device plus approve push, and I'm allowed in. I did not type a single password. And here I am now on my Windows device. Now to continue forward with my work, I need to access Chrome. And within Chrome, I'm going to access Duo Central, which is our Duo SSO launching pad to have access to applications. Now what you notice though is that I did not perform a single interactive authentication. Instead, I was taken right into Duo Central. The way that this works is through Duo Passport. I have Duo Desktop installed on my machine. And through Duo Desktop, we're able to use Passport, which brokers that strong authentication that occurred at the OS login level with Duo Passwordless. And I'm able to use that and broker the session right into Duo Central without having to perform another authentication. Now for my day job though, I need to access Salesforce. Since Salesforce has some customer information in it, some PI about individuals, as an organization, we decided that users need to perform another interactive authentication. This is something that as an administrator, you can decide for your users at a per application level whether or not you should broker that trust and continue it forward from Passport or to force another interactive authentication. The interactive authentication that I just went through though is Duo through proximity verification, which is our phishing resistant authentication method. The way that this works is that Duo connects to Duo Desktop's app and ensures that the request is coming from a legitimate website. Duo Desktop advertises that single-use token or encrypted nonce, and Duo Mobile at the same time is scanning for Bluetooth devices nearby advertising that encrypted nonce. If found, Duo Mobile decrypts using its private key stored in a secure hardware, which is tied to the user making the access request. If successful, proximity is established. The authentication device, my phone, and this laptop are nearby each other. Once that proximity is established, the user is able to just complete the authentication with a Duo push. So there you have it, end-to-end phishing resistance, starting at the OS login level with Passless OS login, utilizing Passport to have a seamless access into applications, and if needed, being able to perform a phishing-resistant authentication utilizing proximity verification.
All right, so with this feature, you get the same level of assurance as a FIDO2 hardware key, but without the hassle of actually shipping keys and dealing with the overhead of managing them. You just turn it on. Okay, let's pick another aspect of the end-to-end journey. Say mid-session security. Today, once you've established trust with your identity provider through authentication, like that's it. You're done. You're good to go.
But what if an attacker's installed malware on your device? They're able to scrape your session cookies, and they're in. Now, without having to ever steal, let's say, your username, your password, or go through any of that fancy MFA we just talked about, they're able to get into your account. But with Duo, we've gone cookieless. When you use Duo Desktop, instead of a cookie, we rely on a cryptographic challenge that can't be replayed by an attacker. The best way to avoid session hijacking, let's just get rid of cookies. So that's exactly what we did.
But if all else fails, right, there's this last piece. And I want to give you one last line of defense, and that's identity intelligence. You may already know that identity intelligence connects to your existing identity systems, and it extracts information about your users, your machines, your service accounts, and so on. And it correlates that data into an identity graph that includes your users and their activity, your vulnerabilities, your threats, and so on. But with this release, we're also announcing the availability of our new user trust score. On its own, you can use the trust score to identify users who need deeper inspection. And even bigger news is that we can now take this trust score and use it to drive differentiated policy across our Cisco security portfolio. Finally, we come to our world-class user experience.
This is my favorite part because this is where Duo Passport comes in, which provides seamless access to all of your application. So Matt, this is Duo's true solution to a true single sign-on experience. And as you saw in my demo earlier, Passport ensures that users authenticate once and they get on with the rest of their day. Whether they're jumping between websites or VPNs or native applications, Passport is there to ensure a seamless, trusted experience across every aspect of their day. Ultimately, achieving our mission of frustrating attackers, not users.
Thanks, Chris. I think to sum things up, Duo IAM is available today as part of our existing pricing tiers. It's identity you can trust. And if you want to know more, attend our virtual webinar on June 18th for a deeper dive. Or if you happen to be heading to Identiverse, come say hello. Stop by our Cisco booth and don't miss my keynote on Thursday morning, June 5th. Thanks for tuning in.
What if you could secure your IT infrastructure against 80% of breaches with just one product? If you're over IAM providers who make security feel like a costly add-on, Duo is your answer. Duo redefines identity and access management with a security-first approach, making it the only IAM solution built to enable security from day one, instead of upcharging for clunky bolt-on functionality. The introduction of Duo Directory brings full identity provider functionality into that same secure foundation Duo is famous for. Now you could say goodbye to lots of different tools or third-party identity providers that make identity expensive and complicated. Duo lets you manage and secure identity with one platform. Still tied to your existing directory? No problem. Duo routing rules give you precise control over how authentication flows and gives you a unified defense layer across your identity ecosystem, enabling strong security controls like phishing resistance, passwordless, and device trust. Duo even makes getting started easy with a guided migration path, automatic provisioning, and a built-in AI assistant to walk you through it all. So, make your identity and access management simpler and more secure from the start, without any surprise costs. With Duo.
Where will you be in 5 years? Where will we be in 5 years? In 25? In 50? Let's be here and here, with her and him and they. Let's connect them. Let's connect everyone. Let's deliver technology that gives them access to power opportunity. Let's set a new standard for data security and personal privacy. Let's change the system. Promote equality and fairness in the workplace. Let's tear down the barriers to social justice.
It's a new day for the new era. AI is everywhere. So are we. We have the infrastructure AI needs. And now, the breadth of data AI craves. We'll use AI to help the world see more, do more, and we'll secure it like never before. You've all heard the AI hype. Now you want AI's help. That's exactly what we'll give you. Cisco, making AI work for you.
Where will you be in 5 years? Where will we be in 5 years? In 25? In 50? Let's be here and here, with her and him and they. Let's connect them. Let's connect everyone. Let's deliver technology that gives them access to power opportunity. Let's set a new standard for data security and personal privacy. Let's change the system. Promote equality and fairness in the workplace. Let's tear down the barriers to social justice for a more inclusive world. Let's clean house, zero carbon, zero waste. Because the health of our family is tied to the future of our home. Let's gather resources and partners, steer toward our greatest challenges and accelerate. For the benefit, for all. Cisco has made it its purpose to power an inclusive future for all. Where will we be in 50 years? Let's go see. Cisco, the bridge to possible.
At Cisco, we believe inclusion isn't just the right thing to do. It's the innovative thing to do. Because every invention, every improvement, every achievement, every small step and giant leap inside our company and in the history of the world started when a different perspective was invited. A different voice was elevated. A different opinion was accepted. To us, inclusion is progress. And it's why we're reimagining how people come together. Changing the system. Tearing down barriers. Respecting and honoring each other's identities. Promoting equality and fairness. Using technology to create more opportunities. Empowering a more inclusive future for each other. For good. For all.
A hacker doesn't always look like a hacker. A hacker's at home, everywhere. A hacker comes in many forms. He's interested in everything. He can work alone. But with a crew, so much better. A hacker is free.
With Cisco, protecting your business from cyber attackers is simple. If it's connected, you're protected.